Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to insert a border on a publisher document. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a publisher document. Now we want to insert border. Firstly, zoom out the page. Click the zoom option and zoom out this. Then go to the insert menu, then click the draw text box option, then draw a text box around the page. Then go to the shape format menu and click shape outline. You can choose any color. Now I select the red color. Then again go back the outline option and increase the white. Now we can see we insert a border on publisher document very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.